Hey guys, it's Jaime Zabidi. I want to show you a brand new product that we just launched. I just enrolled in the Vine program to get some reviews. It has about 3 reviews so far, nothing, but it's still in the honeymoon period. So we got to show Amazon the right signals so they start to index it and rank it for all the right keywords. If you don't know what the honeymoon period is, basically when you first launch an item on Amazon, they have no idea how well the product is. They don't know what kind of product it is. And if you show them a lot of conversions and you show them that the product is doing very well, they're going to start to show it to everyone. They're going to start to move it up. Imagine like in a retail store. If they see an item's doing very well, they're going to start to push it up into the main section where they show it to all their customers. So that's what happens on Amazon. And also the opposite works. If you don't show them sales from the beginning and you let it just sit around for months, they know that it's a bad product and they don't want to give you a second try sometimes. And it's much harder to get them to show you in the future. And you have to pay a lot more on ads. And sometimes it doesn't even work. It won't even get you there. So right now we launched this product and we're targeting smaller keywords. This has 6,000 search volume. You can see over here 526. It was in the 100th spot. And now you can see over here 69. 2 weeks later, it's in the 17th spot. So we just ranked for that keyword. And now ranking for this keyword, also ranked for this keyword that has almost 5,000 search volume. We were in the 61st spot 2 weeks ago. Now we're in the 20th spot. We were in the 121st spot for this keyword. Now we're in the 94th spot. We were in the 160th spot for this keyword. Now we're in the 70th spot. Everything's going to keep rising in the right way. This one over here, 8,000 search volume. All I had to do was add this keyword into the title. It wasn't in the title, but they were actually targeting it for many months. We added it to the title, and now look, it was in the 130th spot 2 weeks ago. Now it's in the 52nd spot. This keyword over here, very similar to this. Same words, just in different order. This was added to the title, and over here you can see it was in the 162nd spot 2 weeks ago. Now it's in the 65th spot. This keyword over here was in the 262nd spot. Now it's in the 134th spot. So all these keywords are rising, and a lot of people ask me, like, how does it stick? How does it maintain? Once you're ranking for these keywords, they see a lot of fluctuations. You have to keep pushing until it's on the top. If you're going to get this to the middle of the page or to the bottom of the first page, it's not getting enough traffic. Once you pull off on the ads or you pull off on the external traffic, it drops. You have to get it to the top 10, the top 5. So that way, even if you lower the ads later on, it maybe you're in the 5th spot, and then like you hold off on the ads a little bit, it'll go to the 10th spot or the 15th spot. Hopefully not the 15th spot, but it'll go down a little bit. But you can't take your foot off the pedal when you're in the 20th spot or the 90th spot or the 70th spot. That's why a lot of people, like I'll tell them, should be running deals. Make sure the deals convert. But they say, oh, I don't see the results long term. That's because you're not tracking the keywords. Yeah, that's it for today. Just wanted to show you this, that everything is going up in the right direction. Thank you guys for watching.